My name is Bryson, and this is the Ryobi biscuit joiner. And it's great for cutting grooves in your wood when you're trying to splice two pieces together. You can change the angle here, then you can also change the style here to manipulate your depth. Now that we've cut all the grooves in our two pieces of wood, we can go ahead and put our biscuits in for splicing. And normally just throw them in there, make sure that they fit correctly. Sometimes you can get a cut where they're not deep enough, but these all look good. We're ready to splice the two pieces of wood together. It's always good to throw glue in each of your grooves on either side, and then also along the surface of your board. And then you can fit the two pieces together and they should go together nicely. Just like that. Throw some clamps on either side and it'll keep your boards nice and tight while they dry.